The next thing I'm going to add on my site is a video. I found a video on YouTube that I'd like to put on for the students, and it's particularly easy to add video that's from YouTube to the Moodle site. So I've decided I want it to be at the top of the course before this first section. It's a kind of introduction. So I've got this section here called News Forum. To be honest, I've not found the news forums that useful in terms of adding news items, but you can add anything you like up here. So I'm going to show you how to add a video here. So I'm going to click on Add a Resource and Insert a Label, and I get to the settings page for inserting a label. Now, if I go to YouTube and find the video I want, this is the one I want to use. That's the start. It's all about Scratch and how the different kind of projects you can make with it. What you'll find in YouTube is there's a button called that says Embed on any videos that you're allowed to use on other websites. Now, if when you click on Embed it says that it's restricted or something like that, that means they don't want you to share that video. But when you put videos on YouTube, you can say whether you want to allow people to embed them, and most videos you can get hold of. So I'm going to click on Embed, and some code appears, and it's already highlighted. This is web code, it's HTML code. This is what's lying behind websites, how they're made. And if you copy that by right-clicking and copying, so they've already highlighted it for you, you just have to copy it, you can use that on your site. So let's go back to where it says editing a label. I need to click on these funny arrows, these two angled brackets here, and it's now put me into kind of a code version. Alright, so I could be programming if I really wanted to do some HTML programming here, but all I'm going to do is right click and paste and put the code in that I've taken off YouTube. If I now go back to normal view, my video is there. So basically I've lifted the code off YouTube and popped it in there. And if I save and return to course, there's my video on my site. So it sounds complicated, but it's really very easy. Okay, if I turn editing off, that's now available to the students to view. They can click on play and they can see the video. They can full screen it if they wish. Okay, so everything's there for them to control. This one is actually introducing the software that they're going to be using in this project. So if you like to add videos from YouTube, if you've got something you want to use, that's a really good way of doing it, and it looks very nice. It's rather than going onto the YouTube site, you can just focus the students in on that one resource that they're using.